Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to braised vegan fish with peppercorn and soy sauce. Hope you like it. This recipe can be made into spicy or non-spicy flavors. I made a slightly spicy version today, so you can adjust the flavor according to your own preferences. The vegetarian fish cooked this way tastes salty and sweet, which is delicious. If it is a little sweeter, it will taste like Japanese unagi. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: vegan fish, ginger, bay leaves, dried chilies, peppercorns. Wash and cut dried chilies into sections. The taste of dried chili can be described in one word: spicy and warm, with a hint of smoky aroma that ignites the flame of taste buds. Chopped ginger. Sliced vegan fish. The taste of vegetarian fish can be described in two words: delicate and smooth texture, just like real fish, with rich seasoning, fresh and fragrant with soy products. It not only retains the freshness of vegetarian food, but also cleverly simulates the freshness of fish. After being air-fried, the vegetarian fish has a crispy and golden skin, while the inside remains tender and juicy, with distinct taste layers. The crispy outer layer contrasts sharply with the soft and glutinous filling, bringing a unique sense of satisfaction. The deep-fried vegetarian fish, due to its crispy and porous surface, can absorb the sauce better, making every bite full of rich flavor. Arrange vegan fish into baking plate and drizzle cooking while on it. The air frying temperature for vegetarian fish is set to **180 degrees Celsius ***, and the time is about **10 to 12 minutes ***. You can turn it over once during the air frying process until the skin is golden and crispy. Stir fry condiments until fragrant. You can add rock sugar or sugar, about a teaspoon of sugar. If you want it sweeter, adjust the taste yourself. Add a small bowl of water and bring it to boil. Add bay leaves and let it simmer to release flavor. Add a teaspoon soy sauce. Since I only have sweet soy sauce at home, I add salt to taste. Add fried vegan fish and let it simmer to absorb flavor. The fried fish has a crispy and porous surface, which can fully absorb the sauce and make the taste more rich and tasty. Every bite is full of the deliciousness of the sauce and the tenderness of the fish itself, with a rich and satisfying taste. Adding sugar not only adds sweetness, but also forms an attractive caramel color during the cooking process, making the dishes brighter and more attractive. Simmer until the juice is reduced and absorbed by vegan fish. Braised vegan fish is done, plate and ready to serve. The spicy aroma of Sichuan peppercorns and the unique fragrance of bay leaves interweave to add a rich aroma to the marinade. The salty and fresh taste of soy sauce penetrates into the vegetarian fish, making it full of rich flavor inside and out. The vegetarian fish absorbs the essence of the marinade with a tender texture, spicy aroma and sweet aftertaste, which is endless aftertaste. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist, yeah. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. Vegetarian fish is mainly made of soy products or plant protein, rich in high-quality plant protein and dietary fiber, low in fat and cholesterol-free. At the same time, it also contains a variety of vitamins and minerals, making it a healthy and nutritionally balanced vegetarian choice. Vegetarian fish is soft and easy to chew, making it suitable for elderly people with bad teeth. At the same time, it is low in fat, high in protein, and easy to digest, making it a healthy and suitable vegetarian choice for the elderly. Sichuan peppercorns have the effect of warming the middle and dispelling cold, and promoting digestion. Eating them in moderation can help the elderly improve their loss of appetite and indigestion. In addition, the numbing ingredients of Sichuan peppercorns can stimulate blood circulation, relieve joint pain, and have a certain healthcare effect on the elderly. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.